So I wanted to get a vacuum that I could keep in my car once it's charged up. This is where you charge it, and let me show you how it works. You turn it on. I think you got it. Perfect. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of accessories. So you can add a hose into it and put a top and tail. It has an extra filter. So you can see the filter right inside there. And the charge actually lasts a long time, so I'm really happy about that. And then it comes with the instructions, and then all these other fun attachments, which I haven't tried out yet. But honestly, like, the vacuum works really well, so I've just been using the default of it right here, and it's just been working wonderful. So, oh, let's show that. Awesome. And then it's really simple to, you just take this part off. Hard to do one-handed, but so you just kind of like pull that part off, and then you can just dump that in the trash, and then just kind of clean out your filter, and you're good to go. So, awesome.